Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me first say this before anybody, chimes in. This is not the way that you fix or repair a retaining wall, okay? But I'm old, I'm tired, and these railroad ties weigh a freaking ton, okay? And I'm doing this by myself. What you're supposed to do is have a drainage behind the retaining wall of gravel, and if you see the distance of this puppy, that's a couple of $100 right there. Now this right here, those two, that's 60 bucks. Those two, that's 60 bucks. Those two at the top, that's 60 bucks. 120, 360, and those two over there, that's 100. No, it's a good 400 or 500 freaking bucks that I've slowly replaced. These guys. It doesn't look fantastic, but literally, I had to dig into the daggone wall right there to even put that where it originally was supposed to be, because if you look, it was way the heck out here. It got pushed all the way out, or someone called themselves fixing it. This is a temporary fix until I get the money to have someone professionally come do it. But I just get so tired of looking at it. Now Home Depot sells these railroad ties for like $26. Might be able to save a few bucks, because where I was getting it from cost about 30 bucks. 32 or something like that. For used railroad ties. It's ridiculous. But it's the best I could do for now. And I took the dirt that I dug out right there, filled it up over there with some other dirt sand mix that I had done earlier. But we're getting there. Okay. The haters are gonna say that I did it wrong, but I mean, what do you want? I don't have the money like these other folks have. What I did was, I promise you, it was way the heck out here. I dug back and paid 60 or 70 bucks for 2 railroad ties. That sucks, but it is what it is. It looks a whole lot better than it originally did. And I dug back and built it. The wannabe is going to be like, well, you're supposed to have gravel behind it and a drain and all that. Ain't nobody got that type of money right now. Just trying to fix it and make it look a whole lot better, because as you can see, this is what, when I bought the house, this is what was there. I've been slowly removing that and digging it out, and when I get a chance, I am going to replace the whole freaking thing. But I'm trying to make it better than what it looks like. Okay, I have spent like, I don't know how many hours, but I'm wore the heck out. Looks a whole lot better than it did before. And right now, that's all I gotta say. Peace out.